If you're getting started with the Amazon Relay app as a driver, the process is straightforward once you have your credentials. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and sign in using the login details provided by your carrier or fleet manager. Once you're logged in, the app automatically syncs with your assigned loads, and your dashboard will display your upcoming trips. Tap on a load to see full details, including pickup location, time window, number of stops, directions, and any special instructions. When you arrive at an Amazon facility, use the in app check in feature instead of waiting at a guard shack. The app will guide you to the correct staging area or dock door. During your run, the app keeps everything organized by listing your stops and prompting required actions. At pickups and drop offs, you'll scan trailer numbers or barcodes to confirm progress, which updates Amazon in real time. After completing the final delivery, confirm the load in the app to officially close out the trip and update your status.